So you want to start a YouTube channel? Awesome, here's how to do it right. Step 1. Set up with purpose. Don't just create a channel, create a brand. Pick a niche you enjoy and that solves a problem or entertains. Name, logo, banner. Keep it clean and consistent. Step 2. Understand the algorithm. YouTube doesn't just promote videos randomly. It watches viewer behavior, clicks, watch time, engagement. So your real job? Keep people watching. The longer they stay, the more YouTube pushes your content. Step 3. Upload with strategy. Start posting consistently. Your first 10 to 20 videos are practice. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Use searchable titles, thumbnails that pop, and descriptions that give context. Step 4. Get those views. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Ask questions. Deliver quick value. Then, tell them what to do next, like comment or watch another video. That engagement, gold. Bonus tip. Don't get obsessed with subs. Focus on one viewer at a time. Serve them well, and growth will follow. You don't need fancy gear. You need consistency, curiosity, and a little courage. Start today. The algorithm is waiting.